Today, we're jumping into a topic that's usually under the radar but super important: lip care for men. I get it, lip care probably isn't the first thing on your mind, but trust me, it's something worth considering. Who doesn't want lips that are soft, smooth, and ready for action? If you're aiming for lips that are pink, plump, and kissably soft, you've come to the right place. Here are 5 easy and effective ways to get those dream lips. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is like magic for your entire body, and your lips are no exception. When you're not getting enough H2O, your lips can turn into a desert, dry and chapped. To keep them looking and feeling their best, aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Cheers to hydrated, happy lips. Number 2. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating your lips helps remove dead skin cells, and it is a game changer for achieving softer and smoother lips. You can whip up a simple homemade scrub with just 2 ingredients: sugar and honey. Mix them together, gently massage it onto your lips for a minute or 2, and then rinse it off. Voila! Your lips will feel brand new. Number 3. Moisturize with lip balm. Never leave home without a trusty lip balm in your pocket. Go for one packed with natural ingredients like beeswax, shea butter, or coconut oil. Keep those lips happy by applying it regularly, especially before you hit the bed and when you're out in harsh weather. Your lips will thank you. Number 4. Avoid licking your lips. Resist the urge to lick your lips. Sure, it might provide temporary relief, but it actually dries them out even more. Instead, grab your lip balm and reapply to your lips whenever you feel the urge to lick. That way, your lips stay moisturized and ready for any occasion. Number 5. Protect your lips from the sun. The skin on your lips is thin and susceptible to sun damage. Use a lip balm with SPF to shield them from harmful UV rays. It's your secret weapon against darkening and keeps your pout looking healthy and naturally pink. And there you have it, 5 simple and effective ways to achieve pink, plump, and soft lips. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more grooming tips. Until next time, take care and apply these tips to those lips.